Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And today, unfortunately, we had a game crash countless times. Like, it's a little bigger. So you see my microphone as well. Actually, it doesn't matter if you see my microphone as long as you can hear me. Today has been a really bad moment for us. Not so bad, but a few days actually, because I've tried multiple GPUs. I've tried different power supply. My PC just crashed, and I realized it was my drivers all along, so I just had to sell two GPUs, my 3050, my RX 580, now I got a 2080 Super. Still the same CPU, I went back to the original power supply, so everything is now good, because I'm just trying to upgrade this thing, because there's a problem with this motherboard where we have to use an adapter to get the USB 3.0 to the 2.0 port. So it's not 2.0 because the 3.0 header is destroyed. I got like that. Yeah, I didn't catch it until I got the trade was over. So what I'm gonna do is clear the lines off my OBS. Sorry to see that. So we have Oxam, Toga Kiss. I failed to get Glide Score in time, but we're gonna probably get Glide Score anyway. So let's try to use it on Red Cane now. I know it's daytime. I want to see if this works. So our game will just lag crash and just be done with it, so they're not gonna evolve. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the boxes, find coverage, and I think that we can definitely use something that can counter a certain attack. We need, I want you to Jigglypuff, but we're gonna tough we need for Jirachi. Dark type, Dark has to be bad because no, Ghost has to be bad because they have Dark type coverages, but this Ghost Fairy type we can get just on this Magus, this Dravis again, this Magus. Although I kind of want to use someone that can cover properly. Like we can use Staravia against the Raptor, then we can Chandelier, Slowest to lower attack. We have a few options. I just don't have to use. So I'm using a stronger parts now. Thunder Punch is definitely something we have to worry about. Neutral may be a good option. Yeah, again, but now against the Medichamps and the Gallians. Let's just use our own. So our game's crashed, so I failed to get the captures of going to the rest of the gym trainers, navigating to the gym leader. Unfortunately, I'm really sorry about that. If I was able to do it, I would definitely capture it, but I tried multiple times and I got nowhere on it. So let's give Meditite the Twisted Spoon. Let's go back to our bag and let's get our Medichamp. Another Mega Evolvable Pokemon. Alright, let's teach some moves. Hidden Power. I don't know what Hidden Power is going to be, so I'm going to look this up right now on my phone, so I have to wait. Let's look at Medichamp's Hidden Power. It's going to evolve. Power is going to be, the ability is Telepathy, one of them, in Power type. It's actually going to be between Normal and Fairy. That's actually very helpful, but we're not, I think I can just think that we'll even call it a day instead. It'll be a lot stronger. Side Beam's okay. Punch is priority, so I'll be alright. Excuse me, belched. Horse Palm's good against the Lucario for like paralysis and such. Endur's okay, but we have Bullet Punch, so I'm not gonna set up like priority moves and such. Cycle Cuts give a critical hits. It's like a Psychic Tech Slash or Psychic Tech Night Slash. Or Air Cutter. Calm Mind. Let's look at its stats first. So it is more of a special attacker than a physical attacker. The Combine is definitely going to be good. You can definitely get a side beam. Fusion could hit, although Combine is going to keep us alive against those fairy type moves, ghost type moves, against those dark type moves. Even though we're not really weak to dark, still. High jump kick is great power, although the accuracy will destroy us by back at us. And the ability is pure power, which is, I have to read that ability, but I'm gonna keep Force Palm. High jump kick is a great move, although it's got bads and goods, pros and cons in that. Side up could definitely help the stats, even though I'm not gonna teach it. I want accuracy and I want special attacking move. So let's get our Mega Cham. Man, I wish they had Mega Evolution in this arcade. Infinite, Poyon, and for Pterodon shield moves. Like with the low starters. Z Power Mega Ordnance game. So much more balanced. Then how about we're not going to teach, just a special attacker. Should have known. And his hit bar, health bar is not that great. So I'm sorry for taking way too long. I just want to set us up for success here. Bulk up is great. Stay tanky, not that attack, but no, something else. Low speed is stronger than Force Palm and lower speed. Paralysis will definitely help with RNG. So I'm gonna keep Force Palm just for the sake of it. Light screen's great, reflects great. I know we already have light screen and reflector. But Alexander really is one attack. That's psychic, so I want to give him something else. Cover's good, but cover's useless if you get sucker punches and other things. Sucker punch is fully on his team. Alright, be a killer, then would be a called healer. Because his defense is terrible. Look at this, his nature is awful. Awful. Let's start is resistant to sucker punch. So let's start Nate. Let's see if we actually can not crash. I got a much stronger graphics card, something that's not going to be bottlenecked that much. I mean bottlenecked like you put like a 5070 with a 4077K, you only get 60%. Yeah, or GPU to get better frames because it's just GDDR number RAM. It's not that good. And I made a mistake by starting because, as I said in other videos, each everybody's got a certain set of teams by random. So we are weak to the water, of course. So I'm going to switch into Togekiss here. With virus resistant fighting. Although it's probably going to use more tempo on us. Ships and executive. That's a lead. And I should have known we had Ice Punch. She had Ice Punch. First and executor. No, it was Ice Punch. I know that's another thing I'm not effective against. I just didn't play the fuck out of time to kill like definitely use tokens for this. Just bug and fighting. You change the type to a bug fighting type over a flying type. Just not throw back here. And unless those thunder or ice punch. No, we're really screwed. Let's fight yourself with Mario. She's fighting yourself with Mario there. Primate. This one flash. This one flash. No more. Send that back here. This ain't fine, but it's fun. Part of sucker punch. That's why we can't use flight armor. Get one shot. Don't know Shadow Punch. Don't flinch. I tell Logan probably doesn't have a tail, so what the fuck? How's that possible? I was going to stay grab one, cut here. For the second time. Medicham. We got Shadow Plot, no weak psychic. One more faster. Just speed demon. Fire Monk, I need to go right in. Let's go to the balls. Time for the sprint. Speed. Well, what do we do with the cycle cut? Let's punch him Sam. That's why we have that Maylene. And yes, it's shiny. I did capture that video. The reaction was big. The shiny odds in this game are low too. We're gonna keep platinum. 12. So 5 is 12 over 1,120. Watch out for bug that resistance. Fuck, not bubbles. Tail. Attack. And let's put this spoon. We better be fast. We're pretty fast. Scared. We're fast. Don't kill. I need to train this out to kill him. Yeah, like that. We don't have a super effective attack now, so we just have Crobat. So this thing makes best. So what can we change up here? We gotta watch out for other teams that has basically what we use. The AI reads us multiple teams. So how do we defeat Maylene? What do we do? Let's go instead. I want to use Alakazam, although a lot better options we can use. So I'm assuming this would be Fire Punches here. You can use the tent, but I'm afraid of Arc Blades. Where Thunder Punches are going to destroy Gyarados. So the next best thing we can do is probably use some of this. It's not a flying type, but can cover flying types. Something that can tank Ice Punches, something that can tank Psychic type moves. around that, so let's see what item berry holds. If it's holds one, attacks that will increase with an inch. Okay, that's a good one. Now box 2. I'll try to evolve this into Blaziken. It's tankier than Infinite, even though Infinite's a better one. Or do I get an Altaria? Oh, we already have a Fairy type right here. But it's still Dragon, so it's weak to Ice. So we use our own Lucario. Knockoff's gonna destroy Ghost types, is what I was thinking, instead of Sucker Punches. Gallade is the better Medicham, but I want to use Medicham this fight. We'll use Gallade for Byron. We're gonna get up to weight. Probably use Medicham for Leaf Blade or Thunder Punches. Manaphy, I'm not sure yet. A lot it probably could tank Thunder Punches, but with the items Pokemon have in their team, I just don't know. So let's swap out Crobat. I hate not to use Crobat, but we just may have a choice. So we tank Ice Punches, knockoffs. The Alakazam is painful, so I want to use another Pokemon that can tank. Donzong, maybe have Heat Proof. Maybe get one. Still don't know. Beedrill. What abilities do we have? It's got Voice Barb, okay. But what abilities do we have? Sniper, Pokemon powers up if people critical hits with attacking. Okay, not too bad. But what do we have? We could use Metang, but we have Scizor in there. I think we're gonna have to work with this. I'm gonna give Psychic Medicham, because this is a physical attack move, attack and move. This is a special attack and move. So something about that. Alright, some candy. Let's see what Scizor can learn. Double hit? We're not going to give you a double hit. We didn't have Aerial Ace, I think. How do I not have Aerial Ace as a seasoned trainer? Well, forget it. Let's go back and let's go get this fight in the bag. I'm telling you, this is where we'll buy our stuff from. We're a little bit more short, so we can't get anything right now. Based off the items we have, use Raise Claw for critical hits. The Hearthstone is useless for us. Silver Powder, nah. Salt Sand, let's go get some Lucario. I don't know if we're using it at all. Coke Span. These will work at the lowest speed, so I'm not going to use those. This disc we get Porygon to right now, but no, I'm not doing that. We do have a Focus Sash, so I think it's the Alakazam. Save right here. So most of our team is the Psychic type, so Balance. Oh, dual type of Fire type go for this. Can we go up? Cannot. sorry for the wait, everyone, but this game, I don't remember it being this hard. I beat my first try. That's how I beat my first try. It wasn't hard. The hardest part was just catching the legendary and calling it a day. These diamond pearl design gyms are terrible compared to the platform. This as a guide to get right back to Maylene if you lost. Get into her. The hard part, battling her, and it's just half the battle. It's gonna be easy, it could be the easier part. So watch where I position myself to hit these walls. Even Renegade Platinum, like, you can use this as a guide, but even though it's different gym design, you'll still have to have the other designs of the gyms that have not been changed in weeks or scores. And here we go. Let's not use ball capsules, so click that, misclicked. I don't know what order it's going to start, so let's start melodic. Now I want to give it the flame war, but it's hot. I think I lost it. Damn it, did I? I did use Malak for a certain way, which I closed. That's fine. You can use this game to guide yourself for certain gym designs. You'll also use this to find your legends. They're going to be in portals, although in this game, they're going to be regular flags are going to be in portals, but in this game, they're going to be together. You'll have to throw a red chain in the portal. So Hariyama's gonna start first this time. Probably gonna have Big Jab or Bullet Punch. Or not Heavy Slam. Let's use Moon Blast. I ran around. It probably has guts, so things can definitely start. Special attack is nothing. It's pure. So much damage it did, guts, I'll just tell you something. And I need my play more back. Something Laser can control me. Or one type. Better firefighting type, and it's got a fucking power herb. I didn't think it would have it. Oh, it did. Recover after the surface. Fast level. Next up. You're lucky on that one. In. Let's stay in. I'll hit Molly's faster. I'm on top, but let's try something. Nope. Switch into something better. Nothing until we get steel. Yeah, he's so badly in the play. Need something to actually find. Fire punch. Shot punches. All the elemental punches. Psychic. Dodge car. Paralysis. Maybe losing that part first time they used it on camera may be a really good idea because so it's good for you guys to see which Pokemon are going to be controlling. This thing doesn't fly type moves though. Costs you a grave. But we do a special attack with matter right now. Doesn't matter. Please sound for you. So always have a moment. Champ. Yeah, but you know, this thing has guts now. Not be good. Not be good. Sack name, close combat. Sack name is the next best thing to do. Live submission, recoils, and dies for exactly like that. Maylene we go first, so it's Scizor. He's on fire. Fire is what kills Scizor every time. Allergic to fire. God, look what damage that did. Raise its attack. That was not a critical hit. Dang, that's a low attacking move. We'll stay in for the card. I'll try to get the chip damage. That's scary. Just attacking here. This thing feels so ground careful. Cover for Togekiss. Same Mace with those guys. Oh no. I'm not ready for Platinum Kaizo. Reflect. Fuck. Really? Togekiss. Stall. Maybe we can stall. We can stall for a little bit. I just want to get back. Fucking steel types. Crit. Doesn't matter. So I'm gonna make a fails video with this. Maylene fails. Since I've just got worse at this game. Well, worse at battling properly. I gotta be more conservative with what I use. guys are not, recording output with the right input. If you like the channel, subscribe. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel as well, subscribe, of course. But until then, I'll see you on the next video, and bye for now. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm sorry I couldn't get the footage for covering the whole gym. I'm not covering, but clearing the whole gym. Unfortunately, like, my game crashed, honestly. So I'm back here against Maylene. So I actually want to change my team up because I kept losing off camera to multiple teams. This is not the one I recorded with, but I definitely want to. Definitely want to change it up a bit. I'll use fairy types. Take out items back, so not items back. We're gonna go with. I think I'm gonna have to do it. Okay, I'll tell you. Steel typing, coverage, like that. Bad shit crazy. Although, Maylene's teams are full of coverage. Seriously. Wow. Oh my god. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna get some items out. Get the expert belt. Give it all to. No, give it to Swablu. Now let's level this thing up. Boom. Alrighty. Okay, special attack attacks the same. From a special defensive type. Mist, let's not teach. Dragon Breath, we'll teach. Get rid of Haze. Uproar, no. Takedown, no. Bless, absolutely. Cotton Guard, oh fuck yeah, Cotton Guard. Definitely Dragon Pulse. And we get an evolution. Probably one of the better dragon types. This game is exactly fairy. Mega form. Altaria, all aka our Altaria now. Alright, items. We got all items on deck. Altaria is so fucking realistic. Just really for Drake has one and back in Roman as well. We're gonna play Maylene with Altaria. idea. I did not want to do that. Or South Korea. Or South Korea. Go freeze. All right. Flying type berry, that's so bad for us. Cauliflower berry. Oh, it's slower. Oh god. The belt's gone. Oh, that was Mega Altaria right now. Medicham, so he's sending Duskmore, I'd say. I was thinking knockoff or what the fuck. I keep forgetting the loopholes. All teams are so different, all random. As I said, Elite Four and Junior teams are always going to be different. Faster, I believe. Yeah, it's a Duskmore. Such a cute Pokemon. This is deeply menacing. This is our Medicham. Swept. Now it's the chip damage, right? We just did. As if we did chip damage. It's got leftovers too. Let's go! We're not fast. Nope. We'll die in this. Okay. God, back in wins. His priority. Is he faster on Altaria? No! Oh my god! Supposed to be a forgot to winning. Fucking believable! Alright guys, sorry I couldn't film the rest of the navigation around the gym. So it's our new team. We lost a lot of times Maylene. But let's see if the tide turns on our favor now. thing always lands crits. We need to land a crit. Look how much damage that is. Us. Yeah, we kill him, although still. Send in executive. Let's have a Sunday. Wait, no, I can't. Ice Punch. I forgot again. How many times am I going to forget about Ice Punch? We can't freeze. We can live it. It's not a crit. But we can definitely kill the extra sensor. Team Mano Bullet Punch. I'm taking a risk. One shot, let's go. Is faster than us. What, these damage won't fake out. We'll kill. Ah, it kills. These are gonna knock off. It's just like you had the whole time. Don't flinch, don't flinch, don't flinch. I said don't flinch. Fucking flinch. This RNG's terrible. Cracks like aimbot. Air cross. Gotta be faster. This thing has definitely guts. Oh my god, no. I've been missing 5 turns over to air cross. Bullet Seed! No, it doesn't have guts. It has that ability for 5 turns. He also has Rock Blast as well. I'll show you. No crit. Now we're in range. Always goes 5 times. And may live this. Never mind. faster. Our executor is not faster. Am I ever gonna defeat Maylene?